Hello everyone, welcome to Kanishka. Today we are going to discuss Kudankulam nuclear power plant data leak. It has been in news today in Hindu newspaper. We have seen this news. Today we are going to discuss in detail actually what happened, how this data leak happened and where is this power plant is located. We are going to see. Kudankulam nuclear power plant is located at Tirunelveli district of Tamil Nadu. Tirunelveli district of Tamil Nadu. It is India's largest nuclear power plant and it supports, why it is important? Because it supports electricity, clean energy and also it supports India's net zero targets. Okay. Next, actually what happened? How hackers hacked, we are going to see. Hackers did not directly attack or did not directly hack the nuclear reactor system. Hackers hacked contractor server. See, these government or nuclear power plant systems, they will give contracts to third party. Now that third party server, this contractor has uploaded files on Yota cloud server and from that cloud server hackers hacked logged the data and now they have posted on dark web. They have uploaded on dark web. They have uploaded on dark web. Like this happened. Means directly they did not attack nuclear reactor system, but they have attacked through contractor's server. Okay. This is known as supply chain attack. Supply chain attack means, for example, if you take a king. Now, enemy is not attacking king directly, but he is attacking his cook, his maid, his servants. Like that, these hackers, they are not attacking directly nuclear reactor system, nuclear reactor software. They are attacking contractor server. Means third party, through third party. That is known as supply chain attack. These terminology, they are very important for your UPSC prelims. They can ask in a statement what is supply chain attack. Like this attack happened. Now NPCIL, Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited operates this power plant. They stated that only BOP documents have been leaked. Now what are these BOP documents? We are going to see. Whenever you take any power plant, it has two parts. One is nuclear island and one more is BOP. Now what is this BOP? BOP means balance of plant. Nuclear island contains reactor systems, control rods, okay, control rods, steam engineer, steam generator. All these are very sensitive information. Now these balance of plant has engineering documents, building plans, cooling systems, all these informations. Means These are like GPS to nuclear reactor. Means, for example, hackers have hacked our house plan, like building plans, engineering documents, cooling systems. Only balance of plan have been leaked. But this is also very crucial. This is also very crucial and very important. They have hacked map. Means they have hacked all the building plans and everything. Not the important nuclear system software or control rods or steam generator plants. All this nuclear island is not leaked. Okay, clear? Hackers hacked through third party, that is supply chain hack, supply chain attack, that you have to remember. They have attacked contractors server, not direct NPCIL. They did not attack direct NPCIL, that you have to remember. Why it is very important? Why they are attacking nuclear power plants? Because nuclear power plants comes under critical infrastructure. Now what is critical infrastructure, madam? Critical information infrastructure, whenever any damage happens to that infrastructure, it affects our economy directly. It affects our health system, it affects our security, national security, and also it affects our health, even defense also. When you take critical infrastructure, it includes defense, water supply, telecom, all these comes under critical infrastructure. Whenever hackers they want to hack, they mainly focus on these critical infrastructure things because they directly affects our economy. Okay, very important. Kudankulam power plant, it is India's largest, and it is where it is located you have to remember, and all the terminology you have to remember. How this happened? It is a ransomware. Ransomware attack means it is a malware that attacks files. For example, I am having a phone that attacks the files, that steals the files, and after that they log the files, they encrypt the data, and after that they start demanding money, they start demanding some ransom. That is known as ransomware. First, what they used to do, they used to only log data and then they used to demand money. But now what they are doing, they are stealing, they are logging, and then they are demanding. Means double extortion is happening. In this ransomware attack, double extortion is happening. Okay, means they are stealing, they are logging, and again they are demanding the money. See, these small words are very important because most of the students they get confused. Supply chain attack means they think about any export related terminology. No, supply chain attack means you have to think in cyber security. You can use this example in your GS3 cyber security and even in your science and technology part. And apart from these, okay, these are the this is the thing happened. Now you should have one way forward, right, for this problem. Many nuclear power plant attacks happen. Not many, few attacks happen, and apart from attacks, many cyber security attacks are being going on or happening. Now what is the way forward? Cyber security is very important for nuclear power plants because this directly affects our national security. Now we are going to see some way forward points. See, stronger vendor verification. Whenever they are giving any contracts, whenever they are supplying anything, we should do a stronger vendor verification. Next, regular cyber audits, very important, and zero trust architecture. Whenever you are giving any plans to any engineer, you should follow the zero trust architecture. Means you have to thoroughly investigate each and every plan and each and every engineering background. Now data encryption, very important. we have to above that hackers data encryption software, means we have to strongly encrypt our data, strongly lock our data. Next, air gapped critical systems, they has to be installed, and cyber drills, AI based threat detection. See all these points, why I am giving all these points, because you can use these points in your GS answer writing. Mandatory security compliance for contractors. Next, coordination among NPCIL, CERT-IN and NCII PC. See, these three institutions are very important when you talk about cyber security. Now, this investigates cyber incidents. When you take NCII PC, it protects critical infrastructure. Now, this operates power plant. Now, this operating and this when they coordinate and they work, it will give a good impact on security issues. Okay. Apart from way forward, we are going to see few other power plants, because they can ask in your prelims in a match the following way. First, location, Kudankulam nuclear power plant. Next, Kaiga, Karnataka. Next, Tarapur, Gujarat. Even Kakrapar also, Rajasthan, here Narora, UP, and one more, Madras. Tarapur, Kakrapur, Gujarat, remember. Rajasthan, that you can remember. Kaiga, K, Karnataka, that you have to remember. Narora, you remember Narora, UP. And next, Kudankulam, with name only you can remember, it is related to south part. Kudankulam, when you see last words, it is Tamil Nadu, Tirunelveli district. Now, this is the topic. The Kudankulam nuclear power plant data leak highlights that cyber threats increasingly arise through the third-party vulnerabilities rather than direct attack on critical infrastructure. Discuss. You can write this answer and you can post on our Telegram channel. Link has been given in the description box. Okay? And in the context of Kudankulam incident, the term balance of plant refers to A. Nuclear fuel enrichment facilities, B. Reactor core systems, C. Conventional support infrastructure such as cooling, ventilation and auxiliary systems, D. Nuclear waste storage only. After listening to the topic, give this answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Again we will meet with one more important topic.